is a 2004 Audi A4. This is the Quattro. This afternoon, right after I got home from work, my wife called me frantically with someone else's phone because my 4-year-old, who was sitting in this seat, had locked her out of the car. We only had the one key. It only came with one when we bought it used. So what he had done, it has this rear lock switch, and he had hit it with his foot. He's been doing that too much. And the one key was in the car while my wife was delivering food to a family nearby. And he had locked it. So, I mean, we managed to get him to get it out, or to wiggle himself free. We had the child lock on his door, so he couldn't open his door, and he was belted in. My wife had left him there for like 4 minutes, and he managed to lock her out. So I got to thinking, how do we disable this so this doesn't happen again? I mean, obviously we ought to have another key, and we're gonna get one, but fairly straightforward process to disable this rear lock if you're in a similar situation to us. We already removed the armrest. There's videos out there on how to do that. There's no video on how to do this. So here we go. Just open up ashtray, lift it out of place. You can kind of see down in there where things are attached, but to make things a little bit easier, what you have to do is you have to disengage where this switch thing is hooked on. You can see right there, there's a hook. Same thing on the other side. You have to switch, or you have to hold that in while you're pulling out. You need both hands to do that, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so you can see there's the little hook, and then here's the other hook. And I just pushed with one finger while pulling out with the other side. So this top piece right here, this one, is for the lights for the ashtray, I think. That bulb's been burned out, so can't be sure, but the money is right here. It's this bottom piece. The yellow will unplug out of the black, and you can either push on this, or it's a lot easier to just pull on this tiny tab right here. If you have that in all the way, then it's pretty easy. I mean, you have to wiggle a little bit, and once again, both hands, but then you can unplug it. Alright, so it was actually a little bit easier to push from this bottom piece. I was able to get the leverage I needed to. Once it's unlocked, it just pops right out, and you put it all back together. But I can show you right now, nothing. When it's all plugged in, and the doors lock obviously, and this little red light comes on, but no more of that problem from today. Have a good day.